Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add shadows to your objects and text. So I'm just going to first do it with a shape. Go to mask and go and select the shape you want. I'm just going to select this heart one. And then remember the size of it, 720 and 646. Go to library and add in a black background to it. So 720 and 646, you're going to do the same thing. Actually, you don't have to. You have to just make it a little bit bigger than the mask you did. I'm just going to quickly put in a background so you guys can see what I'm doing. Oops. Okay, there you go. Select the black background again and go to mask. And kind of adjust it so it looks kind of like a shadow, and you're going to want to feather it out. If it's too much, you're just going to make the heart a little bit smaller, and as you can see, it creates this cool shadow effect. You can also change the color by changing the image color as well. Just going to select both, right click, create compound clip. Oops, I forgot that moves the background as well, so I'm just going to move it like this. Then to add shadow to your text, go to text, add in your default text. Just going to type in love, and I'm also going to change the font as well. Select the color you want, and then just copy and paste that in a darker color. So on this one, I'm going to change it to that one, kind of move it behind. You can also add in shadow from the text here. So go to shadow and just select the color you want, of course, here. Like so. And you can kind of play around with it, play around with the opacity, the blurriness, and the distance as well. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this very helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!